Hi everyone, my name is Kamran Naeem and I am WASH specialist in UNICEF Pakistan. I support WASH team in upstream advocacy and creating the enabling environment for WASH in Pakistan. It has been 1 year that we are working from home and third wave of COVID-19 is at its peak so far. Yesterday we had record number of COVID-19 positive cases here in Islamabad where we live, and vaccination of senior citizens and healthcare workers is ongoing. COVID-19 really highlighted the importance of WASH in pandemics, which was beyond the traditional logic of prevention of fecal-oral route contamination. Several non-traditional WASH sector partners have come forward, for example, celebrities or small media groups, and they have promoted hand washing in much better way and at much bigger scale on social and electronic media, and have reached out to every corner of country and all communities. Importance of WASH in healthcare facilities could not have been highlighted better than this before. We heard senior government officials prioritizing WASH as investment sector with public sector funds, and Pakistan government has rightly come forward with a national sanitation program. The only challenge we faced with partners, colleagues and friends who wanted to go back to normal very quickly and did not understand those who followed the SOPs properly. One thing that I am really proud of contributing to personally is offering support to colleagues, family and friends who face difficult times or were not prepared to face it. And professionally, one innovative program that we started just before COVID hit us was Clean Green Champions program with the government. This program called for volunteers to come forward by registering on government's web portal or using a mobile phone application. Become a Clean Green Champion and earn credit points by doing some water sanitation, hygiene, waste disposal management or plantation activity in their own communities. Since our Prime Minister launched the program back in October 2019, by becoming the first Clean Green Champion, there was overwhelming response. And within 3 months, more than 120,000 Clean Green Champions had registered when COVID started. We were able to support the government in quickly customizing the Clean Green Pakistan web portal and mobile phone application to offer trainings and capacity building of these volunteers for giving correct information through crafted messages and improved community engagement. Capacity building of volunteers to remain safe during their community work, and capacity building of volunteers to help them in engaging with government staff for organizing these waste disposal and keeping the other WASH services normal with help of sanitary workers during the difficult times of lockdowns. Imagine a service delivery failure in the middle of these waves could have been disastrous. Using push technology, we were able to send actionable messages and get feedback from Clean Green Champions. Since both portal and application were supported by Government IT Board, we were not required to take permissions or NOCs. We have plans to scale it up and reach out to millions of Clean Green Champions, and are looking at the success of communication medium during the pandemic situation to create new social norm. It has potential of replication anywhere in the world. Thank you very much.